10 compelling reasons to bring Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, into your home. When it comes to adding a touch of greenery to your home, the choices can be overwhelming. But there's one plant that stands out for its simplicity, beauty, and numerous benefits: the Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Also known as devil's ivy, Pothos is a versatile and easy-to-care-for plant that can enhance the aesthetics of your living space while offering a range of advantages that go beyond just aesthetics. In this article, we will delve into 10 compelling reasons why you should consider buying Pothos for your home. Low maintenance. One of the most significant advantages of owning a Pothos plant is its low maintenance requirements. Whether you have a green thumb or you're a novice in the world of indoor plants, Pothos is incredibly forgiving and easy to care for. It can thrive in various conditions, including low light, making it an excellent choice for homes with less than ideal lighting. Air purification. Pothos isn't just a pretty plant, it's also an excellent natural air purifier. It has been proven to remove common indoor air pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. By placing a Pothos plant in your home, you can enjoy cleaner and fresher indoor air, which is especially important for your health and well-being. Aesthetic appeal. With its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, Pothos adds a touch of natural elegance to any room. Its lush, green foliage can brighten up even the dullest corners of your home. Whether you prefer a classic or modern interior design, Pothos complements various styles and brings life to your decor. Stress reduction. Studies have shown that spending time with indoor plants can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Pothos, with its soothing greenery, can help create a calming atmosphere in your home. The act of caring for your Pothos, such as watering and pruning, can also be a meditative and stress-relieving activity. Improved humidity. Maintaining the right humidity levels in your home can be a challenge, especially during the dry winter months. Pothos can help in this regard by releasing moisture through its leaves, which can increase indoor humidity and make the air more comfortable for both you and your houseplants. Versatile decor options. Pothos is incredibly versatile when it comes to decor. You can hang it in a decorative pot or basket, place it on a shelf, or let it cascade from a high point. Its adaptability means you can integrate it seamlessly into various spaces, from your living room to your bathroom or even your office. Easy propagation. If you're looking to expand your Pothos collection or share it with friends and family, you'll be delighted to know that Pothos is straightforward to propagate. You can snip a cutting, place it in water, and watch as it develops roots, ready for planting. This ease of propagation makes it a fantastic choice for gifting or creating new plant arrangements. Natural room divider. Pothos can serve as a natural room divider when placed on a shelf or in a hanging basket. This is especially useful in open-concept living spaces where you want to create distinct areas without the need for walls or partitions. Its cascading vines can help delineate spaces and add visual interest. Enhanced productivity. Studies have shown that having indoor plants like Pothos in your workspace can boost productivity and creativity. The presence of greenery can reduce mental fatigue, improve concentration, and make your home office or study area a more inviting and productive place to work or study. Positive feng shui. In feng shui, Pothos is considered an auspicious plant that brings positive energy and prosperity to a space. Placing Pothos in specific areas of your home, such as the southeast corner, associated with wealth and abundance, can align with these principles and contribute to a harmonious living environment. Conclusion. In summary, Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is a remarkable plant that offers a myriad of benefits for your home and well-being. Its low maintenance requirements, air-purifying qualities, aesthetic appeal, stress-reducing properties, and versatility and decor make it an ideal choice for any living space. Furthermore, Pothos can help improve indoor humidity, boost productivity, and promote positive energy flow according to feng shui principles. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner, Pothos is a plant that can thrive in your care and bring joy and beauty to your home. So, why wait? Bring a Pothos into your home today and experience the countless advantages this wonderful plant has to offer.